Good morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Navata. Today we are going to see the third lecture of sound. In this video, we are going to say or we will understand that sound need a medium to travel. What I told? Sound need a medium to travel. What do you mean by medium? The substance medium. The substance or matter through which sound can be transmitted is called medium. So, the substance or the matter through which sound can be transmitted is called medium. Our discussion will be around this only, that sound need a medium to travel. Before going detail, I'll ask you something that you know. For example, if I ask you what is matter, means matter, any matter or any substance, it is made up of small particles. So if I say in solid, particles are very close to each other, and in liquid there is some gap between the particles, and in gas there is more distance between the particles. And as we have already discussed in the beginning of this chapter, that sound is produced when a body vibrates. So when sound is traveling through a solid, when this particle vibrates, the particle which is very close to each other, immediately it will pass the vibration to this, and this will pass the vibration to this, means like this it can travel. But in liquid you can see there is some gap. So like that sound that travel, it takes some time to travel from here to here and here, and in gases that are more wider. So from this we can say, since particles have gap in solid, liquid and gas, less gap in the solid compared to liquid, more gap in liquid compared to gas, and gas have widest, means most, that particles are widely spaced in gaseous. So the speed of sound that travel through solid, liquid and gas is different. If I am saying speed of sound in solid, it is meter per second. If I am saying the speed of sound in liquid, it is 1531 meter per second, and in gas the speed, or air you can say, in air the speed of sound is 340 meter per second. So I told you, any vibrating body that vibrates, it will produce sound. If I am saying something, then the voice box of my body, it is producing the sound, and this vibration is transmitted through air. So the air molecules also vibrate. When I speak, the vibration is passed to the first air molecule, then this vibration will pass to the second air molecule, third, like this it will travel. is since the particles are very close in solid, so it will move very fast, because it will waste less energy for transferring from here to here, from first particle to second particle. But in gas, it will waste more energy to transfer the vibration from first particle to the second particle. Okay, that's why we can say speed of sound is different in different mediums. To make things more clear, some activities are there in your book, NCERT book. So I will discuss one by one. The activity number 13.7. Activity number 13.7. It says, what it says, for traveling of the sound, air is essential. Without air, sound cannot travel. How we will show this? Take a wide-mouthed glass jar. Take a glass jar whose mouth is wide. On the cup, this is the lid. This is the lid, or you can say top cover of the glass jar. What you have to do? You have to hang a alarm clock in this. Okay, and now seal this properly, cover it, and also attach a vacuum pump. Vacuum pump. Attach a vacuum pump. Vacuum pump, you know, in your house you use that vacuum cleaner like that. This is a vacuum pump which sucks out air, which take out air. So what you have to do, you place the vacuum pump here and do everything set up like this. What you do, fix the timing of the alarm clock for 5 minutes and wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will hear the sound of the alarm clock. Okay, do so. After 5th minute, you hear the alarm sound of the alarm clock. Repeat the same activity. This time you set a time of 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Let it be okay. Let it be 5 minutes. Set a time of 5 minutes. Now, when you set the time, close the lid, means open the lid, again set a time of 5 minutes, timer of 5 minutes, close the lid and start the vacuum pump. Start the vacuum pump. When you will see, when vacuum pump starts and when it rings, you will feel that as the vacuum pump start taking out air from the jar, this loudness, the loudness of the sound, loudness of sound will decrease, and when all the air is pumped out from the jar, then we can see that alarm clock is ringing. Still we cannot hear the sound because from this area air has been pumped out, and since air has been pumped out, there is no medium. If there is no medium, sound will not travel. So from this activity we can say sound need a medium to travel. At least air should be there so that sound can travel. You can do the same activity at your house also. What you do, you take small mobile, that old mobile, 2G mobile, take that mobile and place in a glass. Place it in a glass, and what you do, you hold the glass like this and suck the air maximum you can, and ask your friend or anyone to ring on that phone. The loudness or the sound that you hear, that will decrease, because when you suck the air, there is no air in the glass, or very less air is in the glass. The loudness will come down, and if you do it properly, you will not hear any sound. So I am saying that at least air should be there so that you can listen the sound. That's why in your class 5 you must have understand that you have been explained. I have only explained you that on moon we cannot hear the sound of clapping, because on moon there is no air. If there is no air, then there will be no propagation of sound. Sound cannot travel without air. So air is also needed, means air is a medium through which sound can travel. Next activity is activity number 13.8. In this we have to see that in liquid also sound can travel. What you have to do, you have to take a bell, घर में जो घंटी बजाते हैं वो bell, put it inside take a trough, in that you take water, put the bell inside that, make sure that this bell should not touch the bottom or the side of the container, and place the bell just below the water level, and gently place your ear here, gently place your ear here, and you ring the bell. Inside you do like this, it will ring. You will hear a feeble sound, very slow sound, means sound can travel through water also. And due to this, since sound can travel through water, then only different aquatic animals, dolphins, they can communicate within themselves. So sound can travel through liquid also. If you do this activity, place your ear here, you will hear a feeble sound. अब बहुत ही कमजोर सा sound सुनाई देगा, but सुनाई देगा. Sound will travel. Next, sound can, this activity 13.9, it says that sound can travel through solid. So what you have to do, take a meter scale, long meter scale is there, a rod is there. What you do, place your ear here and ask your friend here to gently scratch it, gently scratch it. When he will scratch it, you can easily hear the sound, means sound can travel through solids. One more thing what I can say, do one thing, take a bell jar, means take a bell, or you can say alarm clock, take alarm clock. What you do, you gently stand near, for example this is a table, this is a table, okay. You place this alarm clock at one corner of the table. You place your ear here on the table gently and let the alarm clock ring. When alarm clock rings, you can hear loud sound when you place your ear here. Do same thing, ring the alarm clock. At this time you stand as it is. So now sound is traveling from the alarm clock through air, and first case the sound was traveling through this solid structure. So you will hear more sound, the loudness of the sound will be more in case of solid in compared to that air. Okay, so with this three activity we know that sound need a medium to travel, means what we conclude, conclusion, sound need medium to travel. And the second thing we concluded, sound do not transmit through vacuum. So, and we know, since the medium here we are talking, medium can be solid, liquid or gas, means air. So speed of sound is different in different medium. For example, in solid the speed of sound is 5960 meter per second, and the speed of sound in liquid, means water, is 1531 meter per second, and speed of sound in air is 340 meter per second. Okay, so from these three activity we know that sound need a medium to travel. Okay,